Glamorous beauty of yellow trumpet should still anyone's heart. This beautiful flower is also known as yellow trumpet or alamanda. In general, how to grow yellow trumpet is the first question for hobby gardener. In today's video, I will show you a detailed information that how much sunlight this plant need, how much fertilization and feeding this yellow trumpet plant need, and also how much water they need, how to prepare soil for this yellow trumpet plant. If you want to plant them on a container, then the system is one, and if you want to plant them on an open space, then that's another way. So let's discuss one by one. At first, let's know how to prepare soil for a yellow trumpet plant if you want to grow them on a container. If you want to grow them on a container, then you have to choose a big size container. At least this container should support to having at least 20 to 30 kilograms of soil, and this container should be fulfilled of 70% of garden soil and 30% of organic compost. You can add a little bit of NPK fertilizer. The amount is almost 100 grams or 50 grams of NPK fertilizer is mandatory to preparing this soil for yellow trumpet. On other hand, if you want to plant a alamanda seedlings on a open area or on a yard, then you have to prepare a hole for this plant. To prepare this hole, at first you have to dig on the soil. About the size of this dig is about 1.5 feet by 1.5 feet, and after preparing this dig, you have to mix up at least 5 to 6 kilograms of organic compost or cow dung, and mix this compost fertilizer with the soil where you want to plant this seedling, and add at least 100 grams of NPK fertilizer in this hole and mix it properly. And after preparing this pit, you have to wait at least 10 days, and after 10 days you can easily put your seedlings on this pit. There is some basic need of alamanda like sunlight and water. Now let's know how much sunlight this plant need. If you want to plant your alamanda on a shadow area, then this plant should grow, but they don't provide as much as flower as you want. That's why you have to set up their container or set up this plant on an area where at least 10 to 12 hours sunlight is available. But if your area should get sunlight about 8 to 10 hours, then it's okay for them, but less than 8 hours your plants should may affected on their blooming and on their growth, because this plant really loves sunlight. Now let's know the water need of this fertilizer. If you want to water them, then you have to give a lots of water for them, but don't give it too much. If the soil is too much loamy, then your plant should get affected by different types of fungal disease. So try to avoid it and ensure a proper drainage for your plant. And the water timing should be in morning or on the evening, at least one times watering is necessary for their growth. Now let's know about their feeding. This plant is a heavy feeder. For this reason, you have to provide fertilizer all over the year, and the big question is how to provide fertilizer if you are already plant this seedling. The answer is you can provide it by as a nutrient solution or by as a liquid fertilizer. That's the best way to providing organic fertilizer to your plant. If you want to use liquid fertilizer, then you can easily prepare it at your home. To prepare a liquid fertilizer, you have to mix up 5 kilograms of organic compost and 20 kilograms of water. or 20 liter of water, then mix it and wait for at least 10 days to prepare this organic liquid fertilizer. After 10 days you can easily provide this fertilizer on your plant, and there is no side effect of this fertilizer. For this reason, that is the best one. If you able to prepare this liquid fertilizer for one time, then you can easily use it for at least 2 or 3 months for your plant, and the fertilizer giving period is about in an interval of 15 days. So try to give this liquid fertilizer in every 15 day, at least once in every 15 day, and at least 2 times in every month. So if you want to get a good blooming on your plant, then try to ensure sunlight, try to ensure watering, and try to ensure proper feeding, and your plant will be grow fastly, and their flowering rate will be much more higher than any other plant. So thanks for watching the full video. If you want to get more information, and if you are interested about gardening, then please subscribe my channel, because I always support gardener people by my video. So thanks for watching the full video.